subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello, this is second video from MEG4 Aspects of Language. In this video, we will briefly discuss characteristics of human language. The 6 main characteristics are arbitrariness, displacement, creativity, duality, patterning, and structure dependence. Let us begin with arbitrariness. Arbitrariness means there is no logical relationship between a word and its meaning. For example, look at this word jug. There is no logical relationship between the word jug and the thing it symbolizes. Now look at this word cuckoo. Here we see a logical relationship between the word and the thing it represents, because the bird is named after its sound cuckoo and we call it cuckoo. One more example, bat. Do you find any logical relationship between the word bat and the thing it symbolizes? The answer is no. Even bat also refers to a bird. Now look at this word, gang gang. Is there any relationship between the word and the thing it refers to? The answer is yes, because the bird is also named after its sound gang gang. You should remember here that cuckoo and gang gang are onomatopoeic words. So human language is arbitrary because there is no relationship between the signal and the message, except in case of onomatopoeic words, because there is only a small group of onomatopoeic words in any language. The majority of words in all language is arbitrary. Now, next is displacement. Humans can refer to past and future time. They can talk about the things which are present and about the things which are absent. For example, last night we went to see a hotel. We are talking about past. Now we are at home. We are talking about present. Next week we will arrange a party, talking about future. This property of human language is called displacement. It helps humans to talk about angels, fairies, God, heaven, hell, whose existence they cannot even be sure of. But it is limited in birds and animals. A bee performs a waggle dance to inform other bees about the presence of nectar, or a bird can utter a cry of danger only when the danger is present. Creativity is another characteristic of a human language that allows novel utterances to be created in response to new thoughts, experiences, and situations. A speaker can produce an infinite number of sentences. For example, the dog chases the cat. It is cold outside. The boy chases the dog. The cat ate the rat. What we think, we can express it in our words, while birds and animals cannot speak anything new. Next is duality. Any human language is organized into 2 layers or levels called duality or double articulation. The basic sounds unit of speech such as p, a, and t are meaningless by themselves unless we combine them in a proper sequence such as pit. Primary level are phonemes, or we can also say they are individual sounds, meaningless units like p, a, and t. Secondary level are words, sounds combined to form meaningful units, elementous words like pit. But animals and birds have a finite set of basic sounds which varies from species to species. For example, cows have less than 10 basic sounds and foxes have over 40. Next is patterning. Patterning is fixed way of forming words. For example, how many words can you make from these letters? A, B, S, T. We can make bats, tabs, stab, bat, tab, bast. But we cannot make a best like this word or tesba or besta because rules do not allow us. English, for example, does not allow the combination of S plus B at the beginning of a sequence. Have you ever seen a word starting with BX, CJ, CV, CX, DX? Just think or find it. Patterning is not present in animals and birds. Structure dependence. Language operations depend on an understanding of the internal structure of a sentence. The number of elements involved is not important. For example, look at these sentences. She likes flowers. He is watering the plants. We can change the structure of the sentence according to the rules. Like, flowers are liked by her. The plants are being watered by him. Structural dependence is also not present in birds and animals.